public saying na I am retired. I am just waiting for the right role, for the right offer. Being what I am now at my age and the way I look, it has to be a special role that's going to be fitting for my stature now.
Dahil na rin sa kanyang aking ganda at talento, ay isang magaling na aktor ang nabighani sa ating reyna na naging ama ng kanyang unika-iha na si Lizelle Martinez. On the lighter side naman kanila, kamusta ba ang puso mo ngayon?
Ang puso ko tumitibok pa rin.
Kasi hindi ba si Tito Bobby Vasquez pag nagpaparamdam ulit?
Hindi, kasi kami naman ni
Hindi
Bobby.
kayo magkabalikan 2 years ago.
Hindi, kasi kami naman ni Bobby, there's always love between us. He was my first love, and I would like to say that he cares for me, kasi even now, he carries the picture of Annalisa at saka picture ko sa wallet na up to this day. There is that love between us that nobody can ever break. But siguro, mas maganda kaming ganito. Yung bang, kasi pag magkasama kami, there will be complications.
Bukod sa kanyang controversial love story, ay naging maitriga rin ang kanyang relasyon sa dalawa niyang pamangkin na sina Aga at Nino. Kamusta na kayo ni Aga?
Nung magkabati kami ni Aga, more than 3 years ago, I told him. Kasi siyang tumawag sa akin from out of the blue. I just told him, Aga, this is just for us. Let's keep this just between the two of us. I don't want to make a public about this. Kasi pag public na naman yan, marami na namang intrigue na papasok.
About Nino, kamusta na si Nino?
Well, si Nino, I love that guy. He's a very good guy.
Sa mga favorite mo?
Hindi.
Malapit.
Pare-pareho sila. As a matter of fact, there was a time when Aga was not in showbiz na parang naaawa ko sa kanya kasi si Nino noon ang pinakasikat and parang ano naman si Aga na mukhang nagiging kawawa kasi Nino na had all the trappings of success. May kotse, may lahat, which he did not have. So, ako, my heart would go out more for Aga kasi siyempre, siya ang gusto kong tulungan, siya ang gusto kong
Larawan si Tita Nena ng isang matatag at palaban na babae. Pero sa kabila ng kanyang tagumpay, ay isang bagay na pala ang hinangad niya noon.
Siguro kung di ako nag-artista and if I grew up with a father who was able to send me to school, proper schooling, I think I would have achieved more that I can really be proud of. I wanted to be a lawyer, and if I was a lawyer, secretary of defense na ako or whatever.
Are you proud that you're Elizabeth Taylor of the Philippines?
No, not really.